Sampana, the Macau, Sampana, Estaleiros, weaving in and out of the streets of Macau, Sampana. Streets of Macau. Weaving in and out of the streets of Macau, Sampana. Streets of Macau, weaving in and out of the streets of Macau, in and out and out and in, meandering the streets of Macau.
Dos Estaleiros. It's a little park right down in that way. We're not too far from this Don Donkey as well, which is relatively new. I haven't really filmed in this area in a while, but that is an entire block of Don Donkey. So it's kind of a, and here's a Daiso right up here too. So we have a kind of a Japan theme with a Daiso and a Don Donkey. So we're gonna put our street up on the map, and then we'll show you exactly where we are. It looks like we have a little alley with a playground in it. So let's show you what it looks like. Let's show you what it looks like. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So I think the first thing we're gonna do is just go down it. You see they're building something right there. Got a fish. So fish right here, and look at this beautiful tree. And it looks like they have a lot of construction right here. And yeah, I don't think I've been in this little park before. I think I'm actually gonna go all the way up to the, there's a red market, so we're directly across from the red market. The red market is recently renovated. You can get fish and fruits and meat. McDonald's over there, 1% square. Okay. So there's the red market straight ahead. I'm gonna walk back down this way. Goya Tea. This would be a nice little space if it had like Some black and white Portuguese tiles. Some exercise equipment. We're also gonna look, so this is Estaleiros. We're gonna be walking down a little bit more because I'm gonna capture it. I'm gonna do another street. Huh. Let's do it. Even has a window up on top and it has some nice, you can just see there's lots of construction here. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna take a left. So Daiso, and there's the Don Donkey. So we're gonna be combining two streets with this one. It kind of gives you a little bit of context. This is a furniture store, it goes all the way through. So kind of a long shop. Here's Express, JDL. Okay, looks like they also have a way to get over there. That's a Donkey. One giant city block right there. Okay. And there's an elevator to go up above. We're going to continue down, and I'm going to find another street. I don't know if I filmed all these streets here. It's Patani Street. Sometimes I'm not sure myself what I filmed and what I haven't filmed. I've been checking, but sometimes when they have like a Patani name, it's like I filmed it lots of different streets of Patani, but I don't know if I filmed. But now we're kind of getting a taste for this particular street anyways. I could actually combine it. It's like school recently got out. Buildings everywhere, and I think our target street is going to be down this little alley right in here. So I think this is the one. I guess we're going to go down. We'll go down it anyways, and we'll come back down a little bit. It's kind of interesting. Clinic. So I don't know if this is our street or not. So after I come down, and I'll just go down a little bit further and see if there's another street. Okay. So let's just see. Oh yeah, here's another street right here. Okay, let me just see. We'll go down this one as well. Yeah, so this one might be the street. I don't know. There are some shops in here, so it is a public street. Pretty dark. It's like 2 p.m. in the afternoon right now. Let's see if anything's interesting. Got a little restaurant there. And I'm kind of going by fast, but I don't want to put the camera. Okay. Looks like we have another street right here. So I don't know, this one, oh yeah, this is the one I was, Travessa de Sampana. And I think this one's going to be a dead end one. But anyways, I'm kind of, what I'm trying to do is just document all the different streets. So maybe someday somebody will take a look and they'll be curious to see what's on it in 2016. Let's see if this comes out to something. Yeah, it does. Okay. Give you a little restaurant. So we'll capture that restaurant up front. So that's Sampana. And I think I'm gonna go up. Let's see. We'll go up to the top there. So now you got to see a little slice of Macau. We're kind of in this Phi Cheek area, and the Red Market is nearby as well. And we'll take a look from up here. See, yeah, there's a Red Market down that way. Okay. So we're basically traversing through these little buildings through the two sides. And I guess we'll end it right there.